today's Yogasana session by standing in Tadasana, equal weight on both feet, spine upright, shoulders tucked back, fingers pointing down. A Tadasana with back of the head in line with the spine. Today being Friday, we will do the Gayatri Mantra. We bring our hands in prayer at the chest center and let's recite. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. And we bring our hands down to again stand in Tadasana. Knees are locked, spine is upright, abdomen is little bit tucked in. Now, in a standing, we do Pavanamuktasana series 1, which means we lift any one leg and do Padanguli Naman. We lift it in a Janu Naman. Point and flex the toes. Shetu Naman. No back support, yeah? Shetu Chakra. Reverse it. Janu Naman. Janu Chakra. Reverse it. And the other leg. Padanguli Naman. Point and flex your toes. Shetu Naman. For arthritis, osteopenia, osteoporosis, lubricate all those joints and hinges. Chakra. Reverse. Maintain balance. Janu Naman. Janu Chakra. Reverse it. Bring the leg down for knee rotations. Bend the knees. Dvipad, two legs. Janu, the loved one, the knees. Chakra. And reverse. Reverse. And return. Now let's work on the sacroiliitis with Utthan Padasana, side kicks. That's correct. Exhale when the leg goes up. Twist well. Do not do the leg that has a sciatica pain going down. Use only the other side, just in case. Excellent. And then to continue a warm-up, feet mat width apart, heels in, toes out for Skanda Chakra. As you bend your knees and go down. Very good. And reverse it. Skanda Chakra. Normal breathing. Fingertips are on shoulder blades, shoulder rotation. And come back, go down again, Kuhuni Chakra. So you're combining Pavan Muktasana series 1 with a lovely posture called Utthan Asana. Utthan. The other elbow. Elbow rotation. You're down. You're not pulsing. You're down. Mushti chakra. Go further down. Reverse it. Excellent. And a Griva Sanchalan. Semicircle with the head. Discontinue the practice. And now come up. Toes in, heels in, toes in, heels in.